Hello everyone. In the last video we have completed the main pages of our student site, so we will add some additional features here now. Today I will show you how you can add social media icon inside the footer, and there are many different ways for this. We will use the Font Awesome icon here, and for this you need to search for Font Awesome icon intro. And when you search for it, you will see that there is a intro in the W3 school, and from there you just need to copy the link here and then let's open a new file and save this inside our student folder. There we will save it as footer.php. And then here we will start writing our HTML format. There will be no title here because this is only our footer. The main title will be inside the page. This will be just included like we have added our navigation bar page. And here let's copy some link from the index page and the link that we have copied from the W3 school. All the links will be inside the header. And you can just add the style sheet link too if you want to style this page in the style sheet, but I will just style it inside this header inside our style tag, so I will not add that link. Here I will just start writing the body. Here inside this body we will start by writing our anchor tag. Here we will give the link letter, and inside the opening tag there we will write some class name, and then we will style this class, and the class name will be Font Awesome FA, and then Font Awesome Facebook and Font Awesome Twitter, Font Awesome Google, etc. The name will be like this. You just need to write FA and then another class name FA dash and then the icon that you want to use. Here we will add link later, so for now let's add hash here. And now let's just refresh this page. Okay, we need to add this page first inside our index page, or else we cannot see the footer as this page was not included. So let's add this after everything inside our index page before the body tag ends. So here we started our PHP tag, and inside this we will include our footer.php. So now refresh, and now at the left corner you can see the text if for Facebook, and we need to style this to see the other styling. Okay, now let's go back to our footer page, and okay, we will add some different icons here, but let's just take this inside the black box of our footer. For this we will add footer tag inside our footer.php page, and we will style it here. You can add the style inside the style tag inside the header tag, or you can just style it here. So we will add background color black, and we will add some other styling later. Now save this and refresh the main web page. Okay, now you can see that the F is inside the black box. That means it is added to the footer of our index page. Now let's do one thing. Let's copy everything from our footer of our index page and let's add them inside the footer tag inside our footer page. Now we can just delete this part from the index page. So we have included the link and deleted the footer from our index page. So because of this we will see only one footer here. Here you can see that there is only one footer, and inside this footer our paragraph and the icons, social media icon, is present inside that box. So now let's add some break here. Okay, first let's add some other anchor tag because we will add five social media icon. So let's add 5 anchor tag. And then we will add the break. So all these social media icon will be side by side in a row. Okay, we need to add the name of our class so that we can see the name. Let's just copy this part as this is common for all the class name. So copy and paste them in all the anchor tag. And now we just need to add the links here. We will add hash sign for now. You can add the link later. And now there is our another class. There we will insert Twitter. Whatever icon you want to see, you just need to add the name after this FA dash. And we will add Google. Then Instagram. And then Yahoo. Okay, the color is changed because we have not closed our double quotation. So let's close the double quotation and then save them. After saving it, just refresh the page and you will see 5 icons as text. Here you can see them in the left corner. We will add them in the middle position. Okay, at first let's just make our footer a bit longer because the text are going outside of the box. So inside the footer we have added height here. So let's just change this and let's see if this change, if the text can come inside the box. No, it is not working, so we need to actually change this inside the main page. So okay, we will change that later. First let's change inside this styling. We will add our class name and we will style them. Let's change the font size first. let's say 20 pixel, and save them. Now you see the text actually a bit bigger than before, and now we will add a width. This also 20 pixel. Save this change and let's refresh them. Okay, but we cannot actually see the change because we have not added any color to the background, so we need to add the background color for those icons. The first one is our .fa Facebook, so we need to add background color and change the color of the text to see it properly. So let's add background color, or let's say background. The background will be then change the color of the text, that will be white. Now refresh it. Now you can see the background color and the text color has changed here for the icon. And okay, let's just keep all this inside a div box so that we can take them in the middle position. Now we can just style this div box. We don't need to style every anchor tag for this. So here write style, then here we will add margin. The upper position will have 0 margin, but on the left side we will add 500 pixel, and then save it, and you will see the icon will move to the middle position of our website or of our footer. Now you see they're almost in the middle position. We can just modify them a little bit later, but the writing actually has gone out of the footer. We will style that too. And after this, let's add another break. So yeah, now the label is alright. Now let's do one thing. Let's change the width and the height. Let's add 30 in everything, and then add a height here for the box. It will be 30 pixel. Now you can see it more clearly. There are some other decorations for the word, and we will remove them too. For that we need to add first text align center, and then text, we will add text decoration, that will be none. So all the decoration will be gone after this, the underlines and other things. Now when we refresh this, you will see these underlines will be gone. You see, now everything is simple and the text are inside in the center of that box, and you can change this like this. Press click on the right button and go to inspect, and then you can change the color from there. You can choose any color from the web page, or from inside that box too. Just select one color and when you like the color, you can just copy the hex code. and you can just add that color inside the class that we have just added the hex code. Here you can just paste it here. Okay, we will keep it like this. And now here we will add some other styling too. That will be border radius. We will add this radius as 50%. If you give less than 50%, you will see that box as square, and if you add more than 50, then you will see it as circle. So we will add our social media icon inside a circle, so we are adding this. But if you want to keep it as a square box, then that is alright. Let's just see them by making them a bit more bigger. Now you see all of them have changed the size. Change the size according to the size you want to see your icon. And now we just need to copy this class style for 4 other icons that we added, and then we will modify the background and the name. The second one was Twitter, and we just need to change the background color too. You can change it manually or you can use this code. That will be 55ACEE. And the color of the text will be white for every other class. Then Google, and we just need to change the background color. Then Instagram. Then Yahoo, and we need to change the color again. Now refresh this and you can see the background color of all these writings. Now we just need to add, you see there is no effect when we move the mouse over them, so we will add some styling here. We will add hover effect, so we will write it like this, and then we will change the opacity. So whenever the mouse will move on that circle, the opacity of this circle or icon will change. Now you see whenever we are moving our mouse over them, they are changing the opacity of the background color. Let's make them 0.7. Okay, now everything is perfect. So let's add, or let's modify the .fa class again. So let's change the font size and width and height, because we just added this to see the change. We will make all of them 20. Now the size has become smaller, and now we just need to add padding for every side. So the text will be inside the box in the middle position. Let's say 5 pixels. Now you see the text is in the middle position, so everything is alright. Now we just need to change the styling of other things here. Inside a h3 tag we will add a text here after the break. So here we will write the text inside this H3 tag. Contact us through social media. Okay, the text is actually black, so we cannot see it properly, so we just need to add styling, and we can add this styling of the paragraph because this has the same styling, and here we can add it inside our H3. Now we will be able to see the text, and that will be inside in the middle position. Okay, now we just need to move our social media icon below this line, and let's add some margin too. We need to go to our .fa class. Here we just need to add margin, and the margin will be, this will be really small, so 0 pixel and 5 pixel. Now you can see the space between them. Okay, now we just need to move them to the right a bit so that they can move to the middle position, and then we just need to change the style of our div box. Here we will make it 550 and see how this looks now. Okay, we just need to move it a little bit more, so let's add 570 pixel, and let's see. Okay, now this is alright. Now we just need to add a break after this H3 tag. Okay, now this is alright, and now we just need to change our footer height. So for this we will style this. We can just copy this from here, from our style sheet. And let's add this styling inside our style tag. And here we will add the height. Let's change it to 100 pixel and see how much this cover. Okay, we just need to make them more longer. Let's add 400, and let's change the, this time this is actually too big, so we need to remove them, and we need to remove one break from there. Let's change them to 200, and then we need to delete one break after this. Okay, now I hope everything is alright. Yes, now it is alright. You can see all the changes here, and the footer is also included, and we have added the hover effect, and whenever we are clicking one of the icon, you see there we are seeing the hash sign because we have added that inside here. If we add link here, they will take us to that link,